What is a preventive maintenance program? A preventive maintenance program is a series of processes, guidelines, and tools for conducting regular and routine maintenance on equipment and assets to keep them in good condition, so as to avoid failure and costly unplanned downtime. Preventive maintenance and planning fit together perfectly. That's because in order for a preventive maintenance program to succeed, it requires a solid blueprint. For facilities looking to break out of a reactive maintenance rut, a preventive maintenance plan can do wonders. Having a roadmap to preventive maintenance allows your operation to conquer unplanned downtime while staving off the temptation to fall back into a reactive approach. A preventive maintenance plan makes everything clearer so the path to reliability is obstacle-free. Goals and responsibilities are defined, timelines are understood, and necessary resources are accounted for. Everyone knows what success looks like and how to sustain it.